I have to run up to the house to check on the renovation right now. We're having a bit of an issue making the vanity, the lighting, and the mirrors all work in the bathroom. So I'm gonna have to go up and make some decisions. But the vanities have arrived, so that's a good thing. Get up there on site to chat with Julie and double check things to make sure we can make it work.
Here comes Mommy.
This is definitely my biggest renovation yet.
Am I breaking the whole house?
Be careful.
Who the heck is this woman?
I'm Rebekah Higgs, and I renovate homes. I didn't really know what I was doing when I started, and sometimes I still don't.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
But with the help of my trusty crew,
This is the kind of house that's a big puzzle.
Stuff has got done, Rebekah.
my loving and patient family,
You can even do it in a dress.
It's money, right?
I know there's never a dull moment.
What?
When you're a DIY mom. As a renovator and designer, I do my best to keep things as organized as possible. I know how important it is to put plans on paper, and that's exactly what I did for my dream bathroom.
These are the bathroom plans with flooring that would be transitioning into hardwood, and the casing, pendant shower, and my cool hexagon tub.
Even the best laid plans can go haywire. The crew isn't sure how my vanity, which of course I already bought, is going to fit with all the fixtures. There's only one way to find out. If there is any problem, it's better to find out now. Luckily, I have the vanity stored right here in the front yard, thanks to my pods container. Okay, we might have to do a little tweaking here and there, but I don't think it will affect my design too much. Sometimes you just gotta roll with it. Now that I think about it, I better check that the hexagon tub's gonna fit too. It seems like everyone wants in on this decision.
Where this sits, we'll cut out holes in the tile so these can go
No,
down.
that's way too much.
And then the tiles there.
That's way too much work.
It's more work, yeah,
way
I
too
understand. But
And you don't like the idea of sloping the tile and letting this be half inch off the ground?
No.
For a nice shadow line?
No.
No?
I don't. But that's
just want to hide in the
because I
shadows.
want to silicone. Because then all you're relying on is silicone on these feet holding it still.
So these don't go any lower than half an inch? They must go lower.
That's all-
I think the washer can be lower. There, you go that way. Why
Oh,
can't
yeah,
nobody figure out how to use a washer around here?
What if someone's splashing in the bathtub and there's water all around the bathtub? Doesn't it have to drain out to the shower?
Because it doesn't go in. It doesn't go in underneath the tub.
Right. So if this
Yeah,
is flat,
Julie just saying there must be a way that they figured out that this can be placed in there without having the silicone, so you keep the nice edge, so you don't have to ruin the...
But your edge is going to be just as nice with the
if you're
silicone.
good with silicone, you'll have a nice edge.
Yeah. You don't have to actually, you put, when John goes to install, he'll put his bead underneath here.
Why are men obsessed with silicone?
What do you
Everything
mean?
has to be silicone.
Okay. but
I know why.
if we don't silicone it, when you go to get in it,
Yeah.
it's going to go and it's going to slide out.
Okay. Well, we don't want that.
Right. Something
not-
has to
yeah.
secure it to
Especially if
the floor.
there's two people getting it.
Yeah.
Well, there's not two people getting in this
It'd
one.
be cozy.
Oh, you be on top of each other.
That's true. It's just a one-person tub.
Okay, enough mansplaining. Can we just see if it fits, please?
Eat your heart out, people. It's the nicest tub I've ever seen. Oh, this is supposed to come with a piece of wood, like a wood. Did it come with it? A wood bath thing?
They had that little thing for...
Did it come with? When you opened it, did you find like the wood plank that came with it? Yes. Okay. I want to lose that. That's for my wine.
Can you bring it for us?
Yeah. Can you?
Can you peel some grapes for us? And fan us? Yeah.
Glad we checked all that out. Now we can get everything prepped to start the pretty stuff. For the wall surrounding the tub, I'm going with classic horizontal subway tile, but with a little twist. These tiles have slight variation in color and texture, which gives them a bit of movement. And they are a nice contrast with my unique plan for the floor. I can almost guarantee you've never seen anything like this. After we figured out the fixture fiasco, Julie and I got started on the floor transition. First, I scanned an actual sheet of tile on my home printer and then printed off a bunch of copies. Then I cut out the shapes of the tile and carefully placed it into the pattern that I envisioned on the floor. I designed it to be a mix of hardwood and tile, where the tile actually flows right into the hardwood. It took some time to get it just right, but now we're ready for Stefan to get his grout on and set everything in stone. It really changed the look of this tile when there's grout in it.
Yeah, like in a bad way?
No, I don't, like, it's neither good nor bad. It's just interesting that, like, when you look at the tile, like at the full sheet of tile,
yeah.
like when it's like this, it just reads circles to me.
Well, you just see circles in it.
Yeah, what do you see? Does it say something about our psychology?
Yeah, no, that's interesting. What's standing out a lot to me is the little hexagons in the middle, because they're all darker.
Yeah.
So like they're getting highlighted, which I think was part of what you wanted.
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, I just wanted to play with a different shape than the subway tile on the floor. But I think it's cool. Now we're ready to lay in the hardwood. This design move is not for the faint of heart, but with a little patience, it can be done. I'm calling it a shoreline transition because it reminds me of the ocean waves rolling up over the sand. My DIY template is coming in handy once again. We carefully trace our pattern onto the hardwood, then cut it even more carefully with a jigsaw. Just one more check to make sure everything lines up, and then just call in Julie to finish the job.
How come did you get the job to do it?
Artistic flair, and patience.
What is
Rebekah's here to make sure.
Said it right?
Yeah, to make sure it's set right and proper. You've got that magic touch.
A little teamwork never hurts. I don't mind getting my hands dirty, but why make a mess when you don't have to? For a clean finish, sand off any rough edges of the wood and then fill the transition with caulking. And there you have it, a seamless transition from tile to wood. I'm not gonna lie, it is a pretty complicated job, but look how gorgeous it is. I think it was totally worth the team effort. And sending me back a few weeks on this renovation. Now for a little wallpaper. It's a fairly neutral color, but it's got little gold flecks that add a bit of luxury. And I like to wallpaper the old-fashioned way.
I prefer the wallpaper paste than the soak, like the get wet and hang wallpaper, or whatever they call the wallpaper that you have to paste the wall with. I find it's better.
Using this method can decrease the chance of peeling. As you know, bathrooms get steamy, and water can get everywhere, even where it's not supposed to be.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. John, I need you to help me. Oh my gosh. It's leaking.
Right now?
No, it's leaking when you turn it on.
Oh.
So to rip it apart when we do it. It just started doing that when I put the backsplash on.
Just when I think everything is turning out perfectly,
The backsplash went on yesterday, and ever since the faucet went back on, I noticed it was leaking, and I noticed it was leaking up top, so I tried to tighten it. But then it wasn't until I opened up the cabinet door and saw all the water piling up that I realized that it was actually pouring down behind the backsplash. So we have to get the faucets working. Then I should have a fully functioning ensuite bathroom.
one more minor blip in this massive renovation. I should be used to it by now. All I want to do is just get in my new tub.
So are you happy with the tub?
Yeah, it looks
now?
great.
The
Yeah.
size and the position that it's in and the
Yeah, it turned out really nice.
in this setting? I think it was a good suggestion to move it to this wall. I think you're right. It really stands out in the photos.
It's nice when you walk in and you see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially through the glass.
All right, we'll get in. Let's see if we can fit 2 people.
Yeah.
There you go. Stefan's gonna be really upset that he
Perfect.
missed out.
I know, this is great. Yeah, this is a nice tub. And we fit in here comfortably.
It is comfortable, yeah.
Right.
More comfortable for one though. Get out.
Yeah, I know, that's right. You can stretch out now.
Yeah, just bring me my glass of
Yeah.
wine and the bubbles, please. Wait a second.
You're gonna get soaked.
You're
I
right.
just missed that.
There. Clean my bathtub.
At least I know it works.
And how sleek is this extra high backsplash and custom style stone countertop casings I had designed? Paired with this teak vanity, I almost don't know where to look. This bathroom is so beautiful. I can just see myself soaking up this space with a glass of wine.
Well, hopefully someone else is making me dinner in my beautiful kitchen.
Hi, I'm just calling to check in on my appliances. They're supposed to be delivered this week. Yeah, I can give you the order number. So yeah, they're supposed to be delivered this week, and I just wanted to check on when they're gonna be arriving. What? Is it gonna be microwave popcorn and pizza delivery forever?
Keep watching to see if I keep my cool or if I fly off the handle.
This is my house.
For calmer DIY inspiration, check out my website and blog, or visit my Instagram at diymom.ca.